Malaya, make sure they're 105.5%. And please just sign off with a simple emoji, a thumbs up, anything to sign off on the work. All right, make sure you can compare them to any of the edges of any of our new shears. All righty. The Lord is please test them, make sure they're 105%, and then just sign off with any kind of emoji, a thumbs up, whatever. 5, please make sure they're perfect, and just leave us an emoji when you sign off.